guys, good morning. We are waiting to get unloaded, hopefully soon. Yeah, we are hauling parts for a Tesla company that specializes electrical vehicles. We are done. So yeah guys, we are stopping now. I think we're gonna take a break for a few days only. We're gonna ride an Uber. Hi.
Hello, how are you?
I'm good. How are you too? Busy?
Study is good.
How long you been driving Uber?
About 2 years.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Wow. We are here already in his dad's apartment. Hi, how are you?
I'm okay. How are you?
Sumashitari Kubi. Yeah, welcome to his dad's home. Honey is cooking rice, guys, because we are hungry a little bit. Okay. It's putting salt. Oh, there's one lemon fruit here. I'm wearing winter jacket because it's cold here. This is the balcony and I love the scenery of the balcony. So quiet here, very peaceful. You're gonna have a peace of mind. From here to Golden Gate Bridge is only like 20 miles. So it's very close only. So yeah. At the same time, this is also our rest day. I don't know until when we're gonna stay here. Smells so good, Annie. Tomato.
Yeah.
I am done and ready to take a nap. Hi guys! Taking a nap. See you next time. Bye!